Welcome to the future of personal audio.
Hello, I'm Alex. I'm a co-founder of the Sound Projector project. And today, I'd like to introduce you to the Sound Projector, which is the world's first portable directional sound system for personal use. The Sound Projector is a speaker which produces a directional beam of sound, which enables you to focus the sound on a specific location. This means that if you are standing in front of the sound projector when it's on, you would hear the sound that it emits. But if you were to step to the side, you wouldn't hear it at all.
This is the best way to maximize your profit.
In contrast to conventional speakers, which radiate sound in all directions, the Sound Projector emits a focused beam of sound, sort of like a spotlight of sound. The Sound Projector is slim and portable. It runs on batteries and has a remote control. It supports wireless connections via Bluetooth and wired connections using auxiliary cables and USB. You can connect to the Sound Projector using your mobile device to play your music. Thank you for your support on this project. And please feel free to share this with anybody you feel may be interested. With you, the future can become a reality.